How to fix controller acting like a mouse. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will be guiding you through on how we can fix the controller acting like a mouse. So if you're wondering how you can fix that issue in this video, we are exactly going to show you how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also leave them in comments if you have got any questions below. And let's just get started. So first of all, head over, open up your Steam and click on the Steam at the top left corner and head over to the settings of your Steam. Just wait for the settings of your Steam to be available on your screen. After that, you can go ahead and open up your controller settings here. And under controller, you can find this non-game controller layout. So here, after you have, there are desktop layout and guide button core layout, you're going to go to the edit section of the desktop layout and wait for the screen to be loaded on the screen. So you're going to disable your controller and you can see enable, which means it has been disabled. And after that, you're going to go ahead and go back to your Steam and close your Steam for now. And after that is done, the next method we can apply is head over to your search bar and then type in controller right here. So just go ahead and type in controller right here, and if you have not connected any controller, just go ahead and connect it so that we can fix the issue of that controller. After that, head over to the setup to USB 1 controller and open up the settings of that, and you should be able to find your controller here. So what you're going to do is look out for the controller here, and then if you have any controller connected, we're going to go ahead and reset it back to default, and after that apply and OK. After that is done, just close up your controller settings. And after that is done, this time we're going to go to the device manager. You can go ahead and open up your device manager in your computer. And after that, if you have any controller connected, for example, let's say this mouse is in controller. So you're going to look out for the controller that is connected and you're going to update your controller. So you can right click on it and update the driver of your controller, and that should probably fix your issue. So these are the process you may fix that may fix your controller acting like a mouse. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.